There's our rear camera. There's the bumper camera, and there's the dash cam. Show rear camera. Switches to rear camera. Show front camera. There's our front camera. Take picture. As of right now, man, I think it's pretty incredible. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike. We are Runaway Parents. Well, I have got some work to do on this thing. We are doing some improvements to it. We've got some camping trips coming up, and we got one big one coming up in January. We're going to the truck camper rally in Quartzsite. And there's one issue I've been having that I've been needing to correct, and it's my camera system. Definitely needing a serious upgrade on it. Well, thanks to the good people at Wolfbox, they reached out and they sent us the G900 Tri Pro. That's going to change the game for us, man. It's going to give us incredible crisp views out of the back of the camper. But this particular unit is also going to give us a camera to mount on the front of the truck. So not only are we going to have a rear view camera, we're going to have a dash cam, and we're going to have a front camera. So she doesn't have to get out of the truck anymore on the overland trails we go on, where we've been on a couple of them where I've needed her to get out and spot, and she did not want to get out of the truck because of the drop-offs. So that's going to come in very handy, very, very handy. So without further ado, let's get this sucker installed, get it in this truck, and let's see how it operates. But the one thing I'm not going to do is I'm not going to carry you through the whole install process of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get in here, I'm going to get the install knocked out, and then I'm going to pick back up with you, show you guys how it works and what we see with it. All right, so there we have it. The G900 Tri Pro is installed thanks to the help of my son, Cody. I don't think you guys have met him yet, but that's my son, Cody. He stopped by to see Dad and found something for him to do.
How's it going?
He's not used to being on camera.
Not really.
Not really? He's getting ready to go to the Army. So we put him to work right here for a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna give you a little overview of kind of how we did the install. They're gonna give you these little adapters, you call them. It goes into your fuse box. You're gonna find the correct fuse, your accessory fuse, or like your cigarette lighter. I think I used my cigarette lighter in my accessory. It's got a fuse already in it. You pull that fuse and you plug that in, but you be sure to put the fuse that you pull out into this slot to continue the circuit. It's gonna give power to the harness that powers the mirror in your truck. That's the hardwire feature of it. Or you can use the cigarette lighter plug to power it. I decided to hardwire it in because we do not plan on taking it out. All right, moving on along here. Here's all your connections at the top of the camera. Everything we got run, tucked in behind here, ran down, going through the fender. Same with this side for the rear camera. It runs along there, comes up through the top of the pillar, all the way back through. I've also got the GPS ran. It goes through here and comes out. And I got it mounted to the hood on my truck because, as you can see, we carry a truck camper and it covers the roof of my truck, the cab. So really wouldn't work out too well right there. So we did it right here. I have the rear camera ran through the back window, the sliding back window, and it comes out and it runs into the bed of the truck. Comes back through, goes underneath my camper, comes out through this door here. There's a hole running there. We got the wires ran through here. I got to still pin them back a little better, but they're running up to there. If I can figure out a way to make me a quick disconnect down here where I can, because the camper's going to come on and off the truck. So I've got to be able to disconnect it. So I'm going to work on that. As you can see, I got it hardwired. It's to the ignition. So whenever I turn the truck on, we're going to start it. Takes a second for the boot up sequence. All right, and it gives us all three views. There's our rear camera, there's the bumper camera, and there's the dash cam. You can swipe away to the side, give us our complete rear camera view. I can bring it up, I can move it up or down by just touching the screen. Bring it up some more. That is really cool. And I can swipe it again. That's my dash cam view. Then I swipe it again. There's my bumper. I can angle that camera a little further down and it'll give me a view of the terrain when we're driving. Another cool feature about it, man, is I can tell it, just voice commands. Show rear camera. Switches to rear camera. Show front camera. There's our front camera. All right, your dash cam is going to be 4K. Your rear camera is 2.5K. And that third camera on the front bumper is 1080p, which gives you really good, crisp images. All right, you can set the display modes. Front camera, extra camera, rear camera, split screen, on however you want it to appear on the mirror itself. Your sound record, turn it on or off. Mine's on. Loop recording, where it will record every minute. Just keep recording. You can set it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes. G sensor, your shock sensor. Mine's on low. But if you're in a parking lot and somebody hits the vehicle, it automatically start recording. We'll just go to medium with it. Fatigue reminder. You set it to give you a reminder. If you're like on a long drive and you're starting to fall asleep, every 1 hour, every 2 hours, every 3 hours, or every 4 hours to give you a little reminder. Wake up, stay awake. There's your Wi-Fi setting, your volume setting. If you don't want click tones, you can turn that off. Screensaver, screen brightness, the exposure. It goes on and on. Tons of information on it. You can contact the help center. You format your SD card. You set your time zone, the time style, 12, 24 hours, the time format, clock setting, the language, speed units, kilometers, mile per hour, the GPS stamp, the speed stamp. If you want that to appear on the screen or off, I like it on there. Same with date stamp, time, GPS display, the time display. I'll keep all that on my screen. Parking mode, G trigger recording, a 12-hour time-lapse recording, or a 24-hour time-lapse recording, or 48-hour time-lapse recording. The distance guidelines, I'll keep them on there. It's the lines that you see in the camera showing you how you're backing up. You can flip the images. If you want to turn your camera over, you can flip the image so it corrects it, or mirror image. And there's your voice control. A ton of information on it. Now here's something that's I think is even a little cooler. You download the Wolfbox app on your phone. There it is. We're going to connect. Turn the Wi-Fi on. It's connecting to the Wolfbox, the G900 Tri Pro. All right, that'll pop up to link it to your phone, and you can go through all the options, just like you've seen on the camera. You can go through here in device settings. They're on that through the app. Make it take a picture. You just sent a picture. You can start and stop recording from the phone. And there's everything that it's been recording in a loop. All right, so here's another super cool thing about it that I absolutely love, and that's going to come in really, really handy. Take picture. It'll take the picture, and it'll send it to your phone, and you can go on the app, and you can save it. Or you can also do lock the video. Whatever video it's recording now, it is locking that video. It's not going to record over that in the loop. It's going to save that over as a locked video. So that, I think, is a really neat feature about it. All right, so there you have it. That is the Wolfbox G900 Tri Pro. You're going to see a lot more of it on this channel because I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to be talking about it a whole lot while we're driving. As of right now, man, I think it's pretty incredible. If it's something you might be interested in, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. There's different models they make, not just the front bumper. They have the inside dash cam. Just go look at their website. Whatever coupon codes I can get to save you guys a little bit of money, I'm going to post them there as well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.